Hello! In front of me I have Fitbit Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the settings on the smartband. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now first thing you will need to do is to turn on your smartband. And if it's turned off, you can turn it on by pressing, or rather not pressing, by plugging it into charger. So once you plug it into charger, the smartband should start charging and it will turn itself on automatically. And after you turn on the smartband, we can continue and you can press the touch sensitive button right here on the side to wake up the screen on your band. Then swipe left on the screen until you find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called About, tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called Clear User Data, tap on it. And here scroll down and tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Let's stop it. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.